Using Google Pay with Cash App involves linking your Cash App account to Google Pay for convenient payment options. Here's how to set it up. Install Google Pay. If you haven't already, download and install the Google Pay app on your mobile device from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account credentials. Link Cash App. Navigate to the Payment Method section within Google Pay. Select Add Payment Method and choose Cash App from the list of available options. Authenticate. Follow the prompts to link your Cash App account to Google Pay. You may need to enter your Cash App login credentials or verify your identity. Set Default Payment Method. Once linked, set Cash App as your default payment method in Google Pay if desired. Make payments. To use Google Pay with Cash App, simply select Google Pay as your payment method during checkout at participating merchants or when sending money to contacts. Security and support. Google Pay provides security features like tokenization to protect your payment information. For any issues or questions, refer to Google Pay support resources.